Gosh, it's been way too long since I've last made a video. Why am I internally monologuing? Hey there everyone, how's it going? Shahriyar Mustafiz here. It's been a while since the last time I made a video or sat in front of a camera, especially here on this channel. I know 2020 has not been an amazing year. I don't have to really spell it out. Yeah, a lot has gone down. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing here, this is my whatever channel. Shahriyar Mustafiz is my personal vlog channel / whatever channel. And I've been trying to come back and do things differently. As you guys know, I've been just purely doing speed art videos. Even then, it's been a while since the last time I uploaded a speed art video. I manage 3 other channels and I've been working on a lot of exciting projects recently. You know, it feels like the end of 2020 has been looking up slightly up for me. Working on collaborating with a lot of other YouTubers, especially If you guys haven't been following me on Instagram and Twitter, which I highly recommend that you do, links are in the description below. I've been just doing VFX work for his videos, and as well as I've been working on a series of videos for myself to teach you guys how to do VFX and as well as art. It's just that I've been having issues with trying to sit down, record, and sit in front of the camera. It's taken a lot of courage here for myself to sit down because I don't think I'm the most. That was weird. I'm sorry. That's cringy as well. Like I said, this is an unformatted video, update video, and you know it's December and you don't got a lot of days until 2021 comes out. 2021 comes out. What am I saying? Until 2021 New Year comes around. And nevertheless, I just wanted to update you guys on what I'm doing and some of the projects that I'm working on. And I highly recommend if you're interested in it. I'm always uploading on my Instagram and my Twitter, as well as on my Facebook, if anyone uses Facebook anymore, honestly. But it's there. All of those platforms are there to follow me, as well as I'm going to be returning to doing speed art, and as well as bringing back some old series videos. I'm not going to be doing vlogs. You know, vlogging has kind of become very much something that I don't like looking at. I know when I first started this channel, it was going to be nothing but vlogs, but you know, showing off my day, and I already do that already with Instagram stories and everything on those platforms, as I said before. This is not a video about my griping with vlogging or anything at all. It's just I want to say that I'm bringing back a couple projects. For example, recently fixed up that 3D printer. They remember, if you guys recall, the Aina A8, which I bought 2 years back, the 3D printer that everyone knows that can catch on fire but has a huge wholesome community behind it. I've made some major upgrades and I've started doing some projects with them, and I've already shared a couple of those projects on Instagram and on my Facebook as well. One of them being that I'm really excited for is based off of the video game Cyberpunk 2077. And if you guys are interested in that video game, if you know me at all, I love that aesthetic. And you're probably wondering, why do I have this fancy lighting setup to begin with? Well, before I get to that, I'm going to continue with the 3D printing projects. I've built a lightsaber, a blaster, some props, and I'm looking to making some really cool projects based off of the things I'm into. And if you're into it, come along and follow me on that journey by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. I'm really excited to be working on props again. Props, as you guys know, if anyone knows me at all, props and visual effects and making movies is one of my all-time favorite hobbies. But also I'm going to be getting into more tutorial-based videos, and that's going to be stretched across all my different channels. So I'll be doing tutorials on how to stream on Twitch and Facebook and everything like that, or how to basically do some basic VFX so you guys can get started. With that being said, I also want to, what I hinted at earlier was that I started Twitch streaming. Yes, I am now a Twitch streamer. I'm not trying to become the next Ninja or Dr. Disrespect. This whole lighting system that I've been utilizing and trying to get the setup going in my room. If you haven't noticed, I finally moved into my room with this whole entire recording and editing setup. I'm still expanding it. I'm looking to actually upgrade my computer. I was supposed to do that this year, but if you guys know anything about the computer market right now, it is filled with people stealing and scalping GPUs and everything like that. But that's another video for another time, and most likely I'll be probably griping about that on my gaming channel. I upload content across 3 other channels. So first of all, I have Digital, which is my cinema channel. I know that channel's been empty for a while now, but I'm slowly coming back and making videos. Digital 2 is where I've been uploading my VFX breakdowns and tutorials, and more to come soon. Hopefully you guys go check that out. And then I have a gaming channel where I'm uploading every single day. I mean, it's been a rigorous, I've been proud of this upload schedule because I've been not only been Twitch streaming on the weekends, but I've been uploading on a daily basis, and that's kind of hard if you're an editor yourself, or if you've ever tried editing a video and it's not nevertheless a gaming video and trying to figure things out and trying to upload it with a clean, pristine 60 FPS, good quality, crispy quality. Well, you guys know where I'm coming from. And of course, this channel as well, we're gonna have a weekend. We're gonna be resuming an every other day upload schedule up until the end of the year, and then I'll be going through each of the programs that I have. For example, I'm gonna be starting off with the Cyberpunk 2077 inspired project, and then we're gonna move on to the Mandalorian helmet. Yes, I'm building a full-on Mandalorian set piece using my 3D printer and some techniques for prop building, and this is going to be kind of like a behind the scenes approach. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it into a tutorial channel, but this is just going to be something that I'm doing for myself, and I hope you guys want to join me on this journey of basically self-fulfillment, I guess. I don't know what that means, honestly. You know, this was just a little update video. I'm glad that you guys are here. We made it. It's December. We're not too far away from the new year. Nevertheless, as I leave you guys off, I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when I do finally upload a video, as well as leave a comment below if there's any projects you want to see me tackled, and what are you doing with the new year that's coming up. And definitely follow me on my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them have the same same handle as Mustafiz Shah. Links are in the description below on how you can support me further. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.